An 11-year-old boy is at the center of a federal court battle. The question is, who should teach Levi, a private school or public school? His parents say they want the best for their son. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez joins us now with the legal fight over the boy.
Erica, this fight is now in its 3rd year. When I first heard about Levi, it seemed like a resolution was on the horizon. Tonight, the clash over who will teach Levi is far, far from over.
Levi Chandler is making progress. In this place, the 11-year-old has excelled so much, his parents want him to stay.
It allows him the maximum amount of independence because of the multitude of needs that he has.
At 22 months, healthcare providers gave him an overdose of anti-seizure medication that was 100 times greater than appropriate for his age. So today he deals with reflux and choking while eating. On top of that, he also has cerebral palsy and limited vision in both eyes. Because of that medical history, Levi has an individualized education plan known as an IEP to meet his school needs. And that's led to a 3-year fight, now in federal court.
What is that?
These are 3 years worth of documents. Things provided by the school, things not provided by the school.
In 2013, a hearing officer found that the Beech Grove School's plans were not consistent with Indiana law for Levi and ordered the district to pay his tuition at the private Fortune Academy in Indianapolis for the 2012-2013 school year. The law allows that to happen in special need cases. But in 2014, the same hearing officer reversed the opinion, saying the school system had developed a solid program that equals or exceeds the private placement. The school system has offered to make accommodations and to hire staff and provide services that by some estimates would cost taxpayers in excess of $60,000 a year, while the cost of educating Levi at Fortune Academy by the same taxpayers is more than $30,000.
Where it's going to be more expensive and more debilitating to bring him back to his home school than to keep him at Fortune.
Alexandra Curlin is the family's lawyer. She once worked for the State Department of Education, where she helped train hearing officers who hear cases just like this.
So to be fearful that everybody now is going to want a private school because Levi, who's extremely special, has a private school, it's just ludicrous.
Levi continues to attend Fortune while a federal judge reviews his case. While he focuses on academics, his mother focuses on being his advocate.
No one has proved that he's not been successful there educationally, socially, physically. He's safe there. No one has disproven that. And so why are we trying to reinvent the wheel?
The superintendent of Beech Grove Schools, Dr. Paul Kaiser, tells the Call 6 investigators that the education, well-being, and privacy of every student are of the highest concern. Absent limited exceptions which do not apply to the referenced pending litigation, student privacy law, specifically the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Improvement Act, and portions of the Indiana Administrative Code prohibit schools from disclosing individual student records and the information contained in those records. He goes on to say our schools are committed to ensuring that every student has access to a free public education in the most appropriate setting.
So where does the federal court review stand?
Well, that federal court issue is still before the judge, and hopefully the judge will soon tell us whether Levi should stay at the Fortune Academy on the north side of Indianapolis or whether he should return to South Grove Intermediate School in Beech Grove. Parents are hoping to hear that before the start of school sometime this summer.
All right. Thank you, Rafael.